What's up, drop services? On this channel I show you how to make money online using strategies and tactics from my real online businesses that get results like these. And in today's video we're getting into how to achieve $100,000 passive income consistently with drop servicing using a case study of my very first drop servicing business. You really want to know how to achieve passive income online step by step, right? But the problem is most videos don't give you the steps, since the people making the videos haven't actually done it. But luckily for you, I've actually built multiple successful online businesses over the years, so I can reveal step by step how to go through the process of building passive income through drop servicing. So if you stay until the end of this video, you're going to be equipped with more knowledge and skills in business than if you don't. If that's something you want, then let's get into it. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video. Liking the video has been statistically found to have major impact on feel-good vibes and chakras. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more strategies and tactics you need for your business journey. That's really, really important, and you know why. So don't think too much and just click the subscribe button. Great things will happen. And as we go through, comment below any questions at all, and I'll personally answer you in an upcoming Q&A video. So if we want to achieve that passive income goal, we need to start at the very beginning with drop servicing, which is a make money online method involving building a long-term online business, starting with nothing essentially, and getting your first sales for free by connecting high-quality freelancers with high-ticket clients at a massive profit. To get all of your drop servicing questions answered, check out some of the other videos on this channel, because in this video we're primarily going to show you step by step how to build that passive income stream through a real world case study. So the reason passive income is such a major dream for all of us starting out is that it can allow us control over our lives, right? We can either work from home or travel the world living a life of freedom, which for me is more focused on the freedom side of things, and that's why I structure my business and every business I get into to be as passive as possible, so I can focus on traveling around digital nomad style, right? But passive income is possible, but it's not magic. You need to have the right passive income mindset, and a lot of people watching this video truly believe that money falls out of the sky because you've got so many YouTubers, me included, who use clickbait to get people to click on the video. But at the end of the day, there's no such thing as a true get-rich-quick scheme. Even those people who win the lottery lose all of their money pretty quickly because they don't have the mindset of a rich person. Their relationship with money is totally messed up and they don't keep it very long. So you need to realize that passive income is entirely achievable. You can see examples of it being done around you, but before I reveal how you can do it step by step, you've got to accept it's going to take effort, energy, focus to build a system that drives the passive income that allows you to make money online, work from home, or even travel the world. Build your passive income system, then maintain it. That is the goal here. So we're going to make a plan and then implement that plan until we hit the passive income level that we're after. We're going to commit to putting in the work to get to the goal and then enjoy that Mai Tai sitting on the beach somewhere in a distant land. But first, we need to make passive income to fund our life of freedom, right? And the better our plan, the higher the quality of the outcome. But you also need to consider the quantity of time, energy, and money you have to invest in building a passive income. So actually sit down at a desk like this with a laptop or a notebook and make a plan. For example, how many hours a day you're going to work on your drop servicing income system. Have a set plan, worked out detailing what you're going to need to do on a day-to-day basis, then stick to that plan. Once you've got the mindset and plan ready, you simply need to work hard to scale your passive income to your goal. Maybe random things will come up along the way, most likely they will really, but all you need to do is adjust your course, find the solution, and stick to the plan in order to achieve that goal you're after. if building a passive income is something you really want, you need to be willing to put in the work to achieve it, right? So here's the how to build passive income for beginners case study. I'm going to break down how you can consistently make $100,000 passive income consistently with drop servicing by showing you exactly step by step how I was able to achieve this myself in my very first drop servicing business, which was an animated video marketing business basically. So I started that when I was in $60,000 of debt, just having graduated from university back in New Zealand. I'm in Poland at the moment. By the end of the process, I was traveling the world living a life of freedom. So here's how I did it. Step number one, choose the right business model. This is pretty crucial because you want to make sure that you've actually got something that's selling, right? So I learned how to do this step correctly by purchasing a course for $5,000, which is pretty insane, right? I was making very little money working in a call center, but then by implementing this step, I was able to make my money back and develop my own strategy for this. That's really proven to be extremely powerful in every business I've started. Basically, what you want to do is make sure that other people are successfully selling what you want to sell, and that you can figure out the prices, packages, and market that's out there, which is pretty easy to do by going to competitors and figuring out what they do, then going to freelancer websites like Upwork, talking to the freelancers there, and you can match up what to sell, who to sell it to, and how much to sell it for. So the right business model will be one in which you can get started for free with no capital down and with low barriers to entry, and getting it set up, which drop servicing is all about. If you aren't really sure what drop servicing is, I recommend checking out my complete guide video. It will detail the answer to every possible question you could come up with, and the great thing is here, you're not reinventing the wheel. You're simply taking what's working and doing it yourself with your own tweaks. So sure, there's competition, but as I've detailed in other videos and shown in mine and my student results, it doesn't really matter because of the economics. No one business can handle all of the demand out there. For me, I chose my first business animated videos because it was very easy to start. I could find freelancers really easily. Most businesses need it. It's a video for their website, right? So they all have websites for the most part, and there's good data on why it's useful, driving results, and I could easily find clients for the service. So overall, there were very super low barriers to entry, as I didn't need any special knowledge. I could easily figure out how to sell it, price it, and who to sell it to by looking and talking to freelancers and competitors. So step number two, plan your passive income niche, service, and marketing channels. So this is something that we really dial into with the Drop Servicing Blueprint course. You want to first choose your niche and the market that you're going to target, which could be dentists, for example. Next, you need to choose a service that you're going to offer to that niche, which would be something like SMMA, social media marketing agency. Then you need to choose a single marketing channel. There are many to choose from, like cold email, Facebook advertising, or YouTube ads, but you want to choose one because if you choose too many, your attention is really going to be spread thin and you're not going to be great at any one thing. So I recommend choosing something free or cheap, like cold email, to get your first sales for free before you start scaling with a paid method like Facebook ads, for example. So with my first business, I chose CEOs at tech companies as my first niche and built an offer around the fact that these software companies need videos to explain what their softwares do. I built a bad looking website. It had no testimonials or examples. I gathered the emails of CEOs and used my free Gmail account to manually sit there all day, sending 100 emails a day until I got my first sale. Step number three, build your passive income system. Now you've got a simple plan down that will really generate 80% of your results, you can start building the full drop servicing system. So in the beginning, you can do everything yourself except the delivery of the service, so you get to keep most of the profit, and this will also allow you to perfect the systems that you're going to automate in your next step. So the basics to get your first sales are simply having an offer and putting that offer in front of potential clients, but next, you really want to build out that system to get even more results. So first, you might send 10 times more offers a day using a software to automate the process and get 10 times more results. You might use an email automation software like ActiveCampaign to automatically follow up with any leads that come in. And you might then have retargeting campaigns set up on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google that show follow-up ads to leads that have visited your website, all of which will increase your conversion rate, the percentage of people that are making a purchase and giving you cash without taking away your time. So by simply doing more of the same thing, if it's working, and then perfecting that system so it runs without you, gives you both a lot more income but also a lot more time. Once you've perfected this system, it's time to move on to step number 4, automate your passive income system. So here what we're doing is using software and people to fully automate the entire system, so that's a true passive income stream. In the system I described above, you would need to hire a lead generator to generate leads or lists of targeted leads with a software like Snowbio, add them to the email campaigns with a software like Woodpecker to send the emails, and follow up with your leads using a software like ActiveCampaign over email. So the lead generator would manage the entire marketing side of your passive income system, and next you would use a salesperson to cold call the list of leads you generate, warm call the list of prospects who reply to your cold emails, and also conduct any scheduled calls to close sales. And they could conduct these calls using a software like Aircall. Then you have the project manager managing communication with your clients and your delivery team in terms of files, feedback, and everything in between. Then they can do that with software like Basecamp or Trello, and you can hire all of these individuals through freelancer platforms like Upwork, train them with working procedures, which are documents with the steps and videos teaching them step by step what to do, and then of course give them some in-person training and review their work. In my first business, it took me a long time to implement the entire process, but I had the delivery process automated from the beginning, then automated the project management, next lead generation, and finally the salesperson was the last member I added to my team. Step number 5, maintain and scale your passive income system. Once you've completely automated your drop servicing passive income stream, you can simply enjoy the money flowing in and do what you like. Make money online, working from home, so you can spend more time with family and friends, or travel the world living that life of adventure that you're after. That's the cool thing about it, but you will eventually want to scale it up over time. So to maintain your passive income stream, you want to make sure that you have ways of tracking your system. And I actually prefer Google Sheets to track the marketing, sales, accounting, and production. But in terms of scaling the business up, you'll simply need to focus on 3 things. Number 1, get more clients by doing more marketing, which could mean more marketing channels or spending more on your current ones. Second, get your clients to buy more of your service by sending them offers, value, and building a strong relationship with them. And third, cross-sell, upsell, and downsell more services to your clients through monthly email newsletters, retargeting ads, and occasional sales that you could run. So in my first business, I did all of these things, which is why it's still a passive income stream for me to this day. Now, in case you haven't already, don't forget to like the video. It's really good luck and will make you feel great. Don't forget to subscribe, hit a notification bell so you don't miss any more strategies and tactics that you need for your business journey. And comment below any questions you have right now, because I'll personally answer you in an upcoming video. So if you want to learn more about starting a real online drop servicing business, click the link in the description below to watch the free 3-hour training on the 3-step process we use to build a new online business and make $12,000 in 6 days. Enjoy the free content, and I'll talk to you soon.